People meet Mini. Mini and her phone, very OTT relationship. And here we see Mini deploying a safety shield. No need to panic, Mini. This alert simply means that your Samsung Galaxy device has detected moisture in the charging port and will temporarily stop charging to help protect your device. Mini, let me walk you through some simple steps to fix it and get your device back to normal. First, disconnect the charger and turn off your phone. This ensures safety and prevents further issues. Gently shake the phone with the charging port facing downwards to dislodge any excess moisture. Handle your device carefully during this step. Use a soft dry cloth and a clean brush to wipe around the charging ports. Avoid using external heating sources like hair dryers or microwaves. Leave your phone upright in a dry area with good air circulation to allow it to dry naturally. Once your phone is dry, switch it on and check if the error persists. If the issue continues, try using a different charging cable to ensure it is not the cable causing the problem. And there you have it. A few simple steps to fix your moisture detected error on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If the issue persists, then visit your nearest authorized service center for professional assistance. Looks like Mini has finally got it. Hope you did too.